Smriti Setia from Indraprastha World School batch of 2020 to 21. Art of Learnings is not just a tuition center. It is even more than that. It's like a family and second home to me. And Vivek sir is not just a teacher. He's a guide, mentor, true friend, philosopher, and a support system. Words fall short to express my love and gratitude for Vivek sir and Art of Learnings. Vivek sir's teaching methodology and pedagogy has helped thousands of students to get a perfect score at CBSE, and Art of Learnings not only aims to impart quality education to all the students, but also ensures their holistic development where values are nurtured too. Trust me, all you need to do is just blindly follow Vivek sir to get a perfect 100 score. He made us fall in love with monotonous subjects like social studies, economics, and business studies with his commendable efforts, love, and zest. Vivek sir kept us going through this pandemic, and he motivated us to study well and score well in the forthcoming examinations with his enthusiasm and energy. Indeed and definitely, I would say Vivek sir is the biggest blessing that God has bestowed upon all of us. I'm just proud of being a part of this beautiful and unimaginable journey. So, the relationship and the bond that all of the AOLites, that all of us have created with Vivek sir is not just at the end of our schooling or college. It is for the rest of our lives.